Alright folks, another night, another work on the truck. Let's see what we got. It's starting to look much more like a truck and less like a project. Alright, look at that.
And the
Motor's on.
And we got
Inner fenders. Throttle cables hooked up. I got to finish up a couple bolts on that steering column bracket, support bracket. And look at that, inner fenders are on.
first part of the
Starting to look like a truck. Look at that. We've also got, this is a transmission oil cooler off of a 2002 Dodge truck. My hope is that I can take that support structure and it'll fit right in my frame there, right in front of the radiator. We'll see. We'll size it up and we'll check on it, but if not, we may have to fab something else on that frame, on that A-bar, but it looks like it might fit out really well. So get that cleaned up and checked on in. Yeah, we got wiring to do, but now with the inner fenders in, we have our spots where we can start running things like mounting up the washer fluid bag and the motor, running the wires and getting them clipped up to something.
But it's gonna be
This side I don't, yeah, well, it's gonna be work. But this side we gotta get it secured. I didn't get it bolted in time, but I got my radiator support bolt and rubbers on, and they're just kind of loose fit. I mean, not real loose, but kind of loose. Got the battery tray in.
So every day we
So,
get closer.
We're getting closer. That's right, buddy. All right, best of luck on your projects. Wish me luck on mine.